guys. So we're gonna unbox some product with you guys today. So let's start off with this big box here. I don't know where this come from, but we're gonna open this. Okay, you wanna sit here with me?
No.
What's this?
Wow!
What is this?
Guys, what's the best word
I know.
ever?
So the box looks like. I don't know what's inside.
Wow! I'm so tiny. I'm so inside.
Ooh.
What?
So this package is from Head and Shoulder. So this is their new products. It's the Head and Shoulder Zinc Dandruff Conditioner.
Shiny.
I know. Deep Moisturizer Conditioner, and they send shampoo. Thank you so much, Head and Shoulder. Okay, the next box is from Basanti Cosmetic. And they sent the Brightening Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator.
Thanks. I found the bubble.
You want the bubbles?
Yes, bubbles, please.
And
Thanks.
you're welcome. It's the exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya and microcrystal and aloe. This is how it looks like.
I found the bubble.
Thank you, Basanti. Next, we have a package from Alira. And they sent us some healing cream. So how it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, so this is a healing cream for if you have any skin issues like itchy, rashes, and all that. This is cruelty free. Thank you, Sinsa healing cream. And then we got this one. We got a package from Calico Skincare, and they sent us their Calico Skincare Facial Cleanser. We got a package from, I think this is from Bluebird. So let's open this. He actually sent me an email.
Guys, what's the best year ever?
What's the best turn ever? The bubbles?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. So this is from Blushing Bluebird Essential. And she's based from BC. Oh, it smells so good. So Blushing Bluebird is actually a company based in BC. So they're Canada made. So they actually sell an organic cloth pads and liners. And it hatched and handcrafted with organic fabric on Vancouver Island. So it's proudly handmade in Canada. She sent me a different sizes. And then she also sent me a stain remover.
What the best year ever?
So thank you, Daniela, and your team for sending this package.
In there. And the
What
cabbage.
else we have? Bebe, can you close the door, please?
Nope. I opened the door.
Close. I'm almost done. Okay, next product we have a package from Lipton Tea, and they sent us two kind of tea. It's the green tea, and they also sent us the Mandarin orange green tea. Thank you so much, Lipton Tea, for sending this. And we also got a Pure Lift. Let's open this. It comes like that. And they send me the matcha Pure Lift. There you go. And then they also send me the ginger with orange blossom. Thank you so much, Pure Lift, for sending this. And I showed this already on my Instagram story, but I got a package from Garnier, and they sent me their new product, which is their 1 minute nourishing treatment hair masks. So yeah, thank you so much, Garnier, for sending this. And then from Family Rated, they sent me this fruit station for Micah to try. Let me see. We actually tried this before. Let's open this. Micah, this is for you. Micah, do you like this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's. Sorry. Do you want to try this?
Yes.
Let's see. Ooh, look at that! Oh wow! So they send this.
The spoon.
So they send a 2 spoon.
What is spoons?
You want it?
Spoons.
And then they send a. Ooh, don't flick it, Micah. This napkin, and then a 2 brochure to redeem the products, which is Marts. But yeah, oh wow, this is such a cute package. Okay, we have to pick it up, okay?